Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can use chat GPT for coding. Yes, this video is for programmers. So let's say that let's ask a C++ program from it, like then we will actually compile this to check that whether this code is right or not right. Simple C++ code for the table of 6, then you will hit enter and it should gives us the C++ code. So as you can see that it is now writing the C++ code. So when it will done, we will actually check this code into our C++ compiler. So as you can see that the code is done, so we will just copy this code from here, and here I have this C++ compiler, so I will actually just replace this code, no changes. Okay, we will again let's copy this code from here, like this one, copy, and then we will actually just paste the code here. Actually it's not copying and pasting, I don't know what's. Okay, so here it gives us two codes. So first of all we will try this one. We will actually copy this code from here, and here we have the C++ compiler. So we will just replace this code with this one, and we will hit on run, and let's see that if chat GPT is intelligent enough. So yeah, this is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So now let's copy this second code, and let's like copy this, and let's just paste it here again, just run it, and here it shows us the again. So let's do some work on web. Okay, let's say that let's go here and write HTML code for simple web page with user information. So it will write basically an HTML code for us to show this the user information. So let's check this out. Okay, so the coding is done. So we will just copy this code from here, and we will go into the W3 Schools HTML editor, and we will just replace this code from here, and we will just hit run, and boom, oh my god, this is awesome, man. So that's how you can use chat GPT for coding. So guys, if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.